Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I have this homemade Salisbury steak recipe for you guys. It's absolutely delicious. I can't wait for you guys to try it at home. But before I show you guys how it's done, if you're new here to my channel, please take a second to subscribe and also thumbs up if you enjoyed today's recipe. And let's get started. Alright family, here are the ingredients: ground beef, chopped or sliced onion, beef broth, baby mushroom, seasoned panko bread, all-purpose flour, grated onions, some seasoned salt and ground black pepper, minced garlic, unsalted butter, 1 egg, as well as some Worcestershire sauce, some Italian seasoning, Dijon mustard, ketchup, seasoned salt. All right guys, to begin, I am going to season the ground beef. I am going to add my grated onion, and also I'm going to add my seasoned panko bread, as well as the Italian seasoning, the Dijon mustard, the Worcestershire sauce, my seasoned salt, and the ketchup. Last but not least, we'll be cracking in that 1 egg. And here's what you're going to do next: is use your hand to mix everything together, and make sure you really mix everything together. Alright guys, now that we have it all mixed up, I'm going to take a small portion of it and start forming like a hamburger patty shape. I'm going to make mine a little bit thicker, that way they can be nice and juicy. Now to a preheated skillet, I am going to drizzle about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and also I am going to be adding 2 tablespoons of butter in there as well. Once melted, we're going to sear those hamburgers. Now you're not going to cook them, you actually looking for a nice golden brown color on both sides, and once they're done, I'll show you guys what to do next. Now once one side is nice and golden brown, you're going to flip it over and cook the other side. This is the color we're looking for. And then once that other side is nice and golden brown, I am going to remove them and set them aside. I went ahead and discarded some of that hamburger fat and add 2 more tablespoons of butter. Once that is melted, I am going in with my onion as well as the mushroom. Now we're going to saute these for about 30 seconds. When they're nice and soft and my onions looking translucent, I am going in with the minced garlic. We're going to fry that for about 10 seconds, and then we are going to add in our all-purpose flour. You're going to fry the flour for about 30 seconds just to remove the raw flour taste. That's the way I do mine. I know a lot of people have different ways of making it, but this is the way I do mine, and I love this method. Okay, I've been doing it for a couple years now, so yeah. Now I am going to be adding in my beef broth slowly in there and keep stirring it as I adding my beef broth. Now, as you adding your beef broth, noticing your gravy is forming or slowly forming. Now, I am going to season the gravy with ketchup, Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of seasoned salt, and ground black pepper. Now, once I'm done, I am going to give that a mix just like so. And then guess what you're going to do? You're going to place your hamburgers in there and let it simmer, okay? Now you're going to place your hamburger patties right in the sauce. The hamburger is going to soak all of that flavorful gravy in. You guys, this is going to be so good. So you have to try this. Now I'm going to cover it for about 30 minutes, let it simmer, do its thing. And once it's done, you guys, this is heaven on earth, okay? Thank you for watching today's recipe. I hope you guys give this a try and let me know what you think. Also, if you enjoyed today's recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment. Let me know, how do you make your Salisbury steak? I would love to know. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye, guys.